Hi, welcome to day 11, session 11 of my 30-day calisthenic challenge. As you can see, today I'm going to be using the pull-up bar for my exercises, just to mix it up a bit and have a bit of make it a bit more varied from just the parallel bars over there. And also because I'm feeling myself getting a little bit stronger, I think this is slightly more advanced, so just a bit of progression really. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to using the Gym Boss timer, and I'm going to do as many exercises, or as many repetitions, should I say, in 1 minute. Set to 1 minute. Today I'm going to try using chalk for grip on the bars rather than my gloves, just because my gloves aren't really hurting, preventing calluses, and when you get sweaty palms, all the dye comes out and it takes ages to come off your hands. So it's going to use some chalk. Normally use this for rock climbing. Let's see how it works. Chalks is actually pretty good. With these I'm trying not to swing too much because I think that's probably a bit cheating, but not really sure how to grip the bar without swinging. So if any of you have got any tips, just comment below and let me know. So I'm going to be using the TRX a little bit as well in this session. It's a really good piece of equipment if you don't have one. There's 8 of those so far. Also, I'm going to start switching between apparatus just because I think you're probably working different muscle groups on both pieces of equipment. So on the TRX then I definitely felt it more across the back, whereas I haven't really felt that on the parallel bars before. So I'm going to try some press-ups next. No cheat ones anymore, just full press-ups, no knees down. So many I can do. That's 2. That's 3. Really bad form press-ups as well, I do apologise. Yeah, your bum's not meant to be as low as that. But I'm feeling really weak with the press-ups, and so I also need to do some more of these. Now at 5, which isn't that great, is it? Now I'm just going to do some some holds, just to try and improve my core strength. It's not dangling. I think this is dangling, but it's like trying to keep everything tight. It's harder than it looks as well. More chalk. So I'm just going to try and do like some monkey bars across. I used to love doing these when I was a kid, but I'm not so good at them now. I don't know if they're harder because I'm old and I don't have the kind of fitness that kids normally have, or because it's one like this rather than they both hands together. I'm just beginning to realise that a lot of this calisthenics stuff is flexibility as well. So you just saw then, my legs don't come up very high. When I say they'd be able to come right up, touch my forehead or something, but I am stretching every night, so hopefully my flexibility will get better. And actually, just thinking about it, I can touch my toes. I can't bring my toes up to me. So maybe it's flexibility and core strength, because my core is shockingly bad right now. I'm going to try some wide arm press ups now. Finding these pretty hard. Actually using these little, I don't know what they're called, little gadgets, rather than having my hands flat on the floor. Because mainly the floor's quite rough, I don't want to scrape my hands, and also because I'm trying to like reenact parallel bars. More chalk again. Chalk isn't as good as I thought it was going to be. Mainly because I'm going to have to stop and reapply it, so I'm not really sure what other people are using to stop their hands slipping on the bars. But if you've got any ideas, let me know. Now, as I'm on the pull-up bar, I should probably try some pull-ups. I don't think I'm actually going to be able to pull myself up, but I think just attempting it and, you know, getting the muscles working might be a start. So one attempt. try some overhand grip ones now. May not look like I'm trying, but I don't know if you can see my arms when I'm doing it, but I am tensing. I'm trying. Try not to smash my face on the floor as well. I know it doesn't look like much, but doing this, I can actually feel my whole body tensing, the muscles working away, so I must be doing something good. So that's 10 minutes I think gone, so I'm going to call it a day from now. So I think tomorrow I'll probably be back on here again, but no promises. So I'll see you then for day 12.
As always folks, take some time to click the links. Find us on social media